To write a vector in ij form, given its magnitude and direction angle, we need to figure out what its horizontal and vertical components are. So, to do that, if we draw a picture of this vector, we can draw an angle 41.7 degrees would be in the first quadrant. And then we know the magnitude is 25.3. Well, we need to figure out the A value for the horizontal component and the B value for the vertical component. So if we go back to our trig, we know we can solve for A by doing cosine of 41.7 equals A over 25.3. We know we can solve for B by doing sine of 41.7 equals B over 25.3. So essentially A will be 25.3 cosine of 41.7. Notice this is 41.7 degrees, so make sure your calculator is in degrees. B is going to be 25.3 sine of 41.7 degrees. So we just need to type those in, and then we'll write our answers with our i's and j's. So if we type in the 25.3 cosine 41.7, we get 18.9 for our A value. And for our B value, as we type that in, we should get 16.8. So our end goal is to write this vector in ij form. So we have W is equal to 18.9i plus 16.8j. So you'll notice we can generalize this both times to find A and B. We had the magnitude out front and then the angle in the middle. So you'll see on the slide at the bottom there's kind of a shortcut formula. You don't have to memorize the formula because you can always draw a picture, but kind of a shortcut formula for this is our vector will always be whatever the magnitude is times cosine of the angle times I plus that magnitude times sine of the angle times j. So that's kind of a shortcut where if you don't want to draw the picture every time, if you remember that formula, that'll automatically get you to that ij form.